Hi there, Melody from WTI. Do you need a little bit of height when you're driving? Do you need a little bit of comfort on those long drives? Well, let me tell you all about this seat cushion from Auto. This car seat cushion with comfort memory foam is perfect for any driver or for any passenger. This cushion really helps give a more comfortable experience. It alleviates pressure on the tail and the sciatica, and it also helps improve proper posture when you're driving. So on the one side, it's the mesh breathable fabric. So it's going to help prevent sweating. It's going to promote heat dissipation. It's great for in hot weather. And on the other side, it has a non-slip bottom. So it's not going to slide anywhere. And with the adjustable strap, it's really going to ensure that even in quick stops, it's going to stay in place. The inner core of the cushion is made out of a high density memory foam. With this cushion, you get great comfort while you're sitting. And of course, with this slip cover, you can take it off when we have those inevitable accidents, wash it, put it back on, and make your seat last longer. There's different colors. This is durable. This is fun. This is going to help you in all the ways that you need it to. You're going to be very impressed with this seat cushion from LZ Auto. That's my point of view.